So actually the pump almost is taken away from some of the separation from like medial to outer to inner kind of teardrop quad. But even fully pumped, still a substantial amount of feathering. And I think I'm actually starting to see some feathering down the teardrop of my quad. This level of pinchable skin is getting close to about where I want it. This big outer sweep up here, very thin. I've got less fat at this kind of upper section than I do down here towards the knees. So over the next few days, I'm hoping this will thin out a touch. But vein wise, shit, man, I mean, we're cooking with gas now. Let me try to do a little bit of a breath hold and really get them popping out.